Hey, part two. Okay, so we are reviewing the ending of Rest Not today and then running through everything, getting ready for the recording assignment later this week. Remember, you can choose to either do this one or going home. I will be much more lenient on this one because it's obviously a lot harder, in my opinion. So this one you'll kind of just get more like whatever. Um, I won't count like mistakes nearly as much in this. Okay, so let's start at 62. That's when this new part we learned. Now the ending is very different, so we'll go over that after we just sing it through once. Okay, so right at 62. Life is sweeping by. Rest not. Go and tear, leave footprints on the sands of time as you journey, leave behind something mighty and sublime as you go forth. Stand for what is right, and as you dream, rest not, rest not. Okay, so we've got that ending that we learned last time. Let's break it down. So you have as you go forth, stand for what is right. Try that. 1, 2, stand and go. Stand for what is right. One more time. Here you go. Now, stand for what is right. Then you have same note and as you dream. Try that. Go. And as you dream again and go. And as you dream, then you just have do do rest on, rest on. So you do that twice, okay? Let's do the stand for what is right. 1, 2, put it all together. 1, 2, and here you go. Stand for what is right, and as you dream, rest not, rest not. All right. So let's go all the way back to when our chorus comes in measure 62, our new rest not section. Here we go. 1, 2, they sing. Rest not, life is sweeping by. Rest not, go and tear, leave footprints on the sands of time as you journey, leave behind something mighty and sublime as you go forth. Stand for what is right, and as you dream, rest not, rest not. All right, so we're going to try to do it from the beginning. Hey, reminder that the roadmap of this is we sing, we sing, we sing. In the world's broad circles, stand for what is right here, not enjoyment and not sorrow is our destined end or way, but to act that each tomorrow finds us farther than today. Then we go back to the beginning. Rest not, fire none, as life is sweeping by. Rest not, go and dare, leave footprints on the sands of time. As you journey leave behind something mighty and sublime. As you go forth, rest not. Oh, now we go to page 6. So you're going to know it because I'm going to scroll down and you'll see that, but just to remember that, okay? All right, here we go from the beginning. Good luck. Rest not, life is sweeping by. Rest not, go and tear, leave footprints on the sands of time as you journey, leave behind something mighty, and sublime as you go forth. Rest not. still achieving, still pursuing. Learn to labor and to wait. Rest not, life is sweeping by. Rest not, go and dare, leave footprints on the sands of time. As you journey, leave behind something mighty and sublime. As you go forward, stand for what is right, and as you dream, rest not, rest not. All right, there you go. So remember, you get to choose which which one you would like to sing for your recording assignment for Wednesday and Thursday, okay? All right, guys. I totally had a brain fart in the middle. It's hard to sing like both parts and teach them and remember which part I'm doing. So sorry about that. I'm sure you did much better than me. All right, guys. Have a good day.